What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am going to do something about this hair. It looks kind of crazy. I just did my best to remove the blue. That would have been in the last video. So if you want to see how I got to this, check it out. I could definitely use lighter roots, like it could definitely take another bleaching, but I don't feel like it, quite frankly. And what I'm going to do today should be fine, going over these roots and then the ends here. My plan as of this moment is to go over my roots with this Unicorn Hair by Lime Crime in charcoal. And I'm probably going to mix in some Stoned Pony by Good Die Young just to put it more on the purple side. Hopefully neutralize these roots a little bit. They were kind of green after putting a blue over them. And there's still a little bit of a green tint to it, so maybe by adding some purple in here, once it fades, it will be less yellow, I'm hoping. That's the plan for my roots. For the ends, I'm going to kind of ombre transition it with the Unicorn Hair Oyster and Manic Panic Alien Gray. I'll probably also mix in some of the Dark Star by Manic Panic just because I don't think this is going to be enough to go over my roots, so I'm going to have to supplement with something. And I figured I'll just use this. I'm going to mix these up and I will swatch the final colors before I put them on. So here are the colors I mixed together that I will be using. I think it'll work out all right. This should go over the blue, I think. We'll see. But also, just in case anyone was curious, these are the colors swatched, not mixed together. Over here, we've got the Manic Panic, we've got the Alien Gray and Dark Star. And then over here we have the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair, Charcoal, and Oyster. So yeah, that's them by themselves, for anyone who may have been curious about that. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair, put my gloves on, and get started.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. I had a million different things to do, and I say guess you've been lonely too. If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand.
Alright, I've got it all on and we're gonna let this sit for probably 45 minutes, an hour, you know, the usual. And then we're gonna rinse in cold water and dry and come back with the results. Why am I talking like this? I'll be right back. Alright, here is the finished look and I really like it. It's like a very deep dark purple at the roots, fading into a kind of a lilac, lavender gray. Really pretty. I think it's gonna fade really nice too, at least I hope. But I guess we'll find out. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.